Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and in today's video I'll show you my top 3 sources where you can find royalty-free sound effects for your project. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So number 1 on the list is YouTube Audio Library. So if you don't know how to get to the YouTube Audio Library, you just simply go to YouTube Studio right here, click on it, and then you search for the audio library from here and click on it, and then you will see here the music, and here is the sound effect, right? This is what we're looking for in today's video. If you want music, it's right here. So here we have around 364 royalty-free sound effects that you can use for your video, and you can just simply search here for whoosh sound effect, and you will see those 3 examples right here. My second top source in the list is the Yuotbe Search itself. So you can actually just go and search on YouTube and you'll find a lot of free sound effects. So for example, I want to search for drum sound effect, no copyright, right? And you will see a lot of results right here. We have this 5 seconds as well as this 3 seconds, and you can check them and download them for free and use them on your project. Number 3, and my favorite on the list, is the Freesoundorg. This one is a huge library, guys, where you can find a lot of sound effects for free. So for example, I want to search for crash right here, and you just click on search and you'll find a lot of results right here. So you guys need to pay attention for the licenses right here, attribution. So we have 4 different licenses right here. We have the attribution, which you need to give credits to the creator, and the second one is attribution for non-commercial, and this is what we don't want, this because it's not for non-commercial, only for personal use. And here we have the Creative Commons. This is the one what we want to use, because this is the one we don't need to give attributes. But actually, guys, it is always appreciated to give attributes or give credits to these people, because they really took the time to create these free sound effects for us. Anyway, you click on Creative Commons right here and you'll see a lot of results for the crash sound effect. Alright guys, so this is it. This is my top 3 sources to find free sound effects for your project. Hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's always appreciated. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.